How much? It's like that thick.
They don't want you messing with their hive.
They don't care.
No, they didn't build out on this frame. They built this one out double.
It's so weird,
They love that frame
right?
because it's naturally drawn.
Yeah.
The other one's all full of sugar.
The top one.
It could be honey.
It might be because
'Cause that looks,
this is super
that
clear.
looks light colored too.
Yeah, it is super light.
Nothing in this, huh?
Just the bees are working on it, but there's nothing in it. You want them smoked?
No extra queen holes.
No queen cells.
No queen cells.
Do you want Dad to smoke that, Chris?
No, it's alright.
I ain't getting near that thing.
Yeah, I don't see any queen cups or nothing. It's just a sticky mess.
Right? I don't know how people get them apart when they leave them for the whole season, you know?
Yeah, those people that said they had left theirs for like 30 years, there's no way you'd get them apart.
No.
Take a chainsaw and get them apart.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, it's hot and you still have to pry it apart.
Did you know that 77% of small
Do this quick before they...
Right? Before they climb back out again. You clear on this side. Alright, you're good on this side. You gotta squish it down in the handle. There you go.
Crawling all over the back.
Yeah, I know they're all over the place.